What's going on, everyone? It's Johnny5 coming to you with a brand new video, and today I wanted to come to you with a different video, and just going to be going over what I've been up to within the cryptocurrency space. A lot has changed, and we've been getting into a lot of different categories within the cryptocurrency world. So just to give you guys like a full on update with most of the things that I have going on right now. And it's a lot. It's a lot. So it might be a longer video. I'll try to keep it as precise as possible with value that's going to help you guys, and I'll let you know what's coming in the future for the different videos that we're going to be putting out. And just to kick it off, guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you're watching this video, most of the people watching, most of the viewers, they come into the niche videos and then they're not subbed. They're not subbed. So if you want to support, it's free. It's free, guys. Just drop a sub to help me out and to let other people know that there's value on this channel. Drop a sub. You're going to be notified when I go live and for future videos. So definitely, if I'm bringing you value or just a support, if you can, I would appreciate it to drop a sub and, of course, drop a like and a comment. But the channel is here. We're going to be posting more videos in the future on crypto, finance, what we're doing on a day-to-day basis, and what's helping us within this crypto world. So, and from there, we are going to be doing podcasts. We do have the Crypto Legacy podcast coming, and we're going to be hosting it on this channel. And there's going to be a lot of value. It is going to be live, so as long as you're subbed, you'll see it, and then the actual playback will be posted on YouTube as a video afterwards. So just to give you a heads up on that, guys. And we do have the Twitter. I am posting daily tweets, retweeting value, and it's just a better avenue to get information out more quickly. Crypto Twitter is a thing. If you're not on there, you're missing out on tons of value. So drop me a follow. Easy way, easy entry into the crypto Twitter side of things. And you'll see, if you just scroll down, we got value posted already. And one more thing before we get into it, we do have the Crypto Legacy Discord group. This is valuable, guys. What do you get access to? All investment and trade callouts, community chat, voice chat, monthly live streams, and continued education within crypto and stocks. So literally, we're calling out every single play that we get into personally, whether it's NFTs, whether it's just a trade, a long-term investment. Everything is posted in here that we are doing or even looking at just within the regular chat. You have other people in there. We're building up the community, and we're making money. It's only 25 bones a month. Cancel anytime, guys. Check it out if you want, if you're interested. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. But going from there, guys, going straight into what the talk of the town is, it's NFTs. You already know. Crypto has had NFTs for a long time, but they haven't popped off until this year, where it's been getting into the mainstream. So we bought NFTs back in 2017, guys, 2017 and 2018, and we got into Gods Unchained with pack cards during that time, and they've been continuously updating their game. It's a card game. I don't really like card games, but when that introduced itself, gaming, NFTs, crypto, they all mesh together. Gaming and NFTs it's just meant to be. It's meant to be. It's the future. It's what all future games, in my opinion, eventually, once it gets there, AAA games will enter the NFT space, and it's going to be the norm. It just makes sense. If you have a card game where you own your cards, just like if you were to go buy them at the store, and it's a game online, you can sell your individual cards, you can sell packs, you can trade. Just imagine any other game where you buy skins and stuff. You do the exact same thing. You're investing money into the game. Once you're done with the game, you can sell your stuff if you don't want to play it anymore. But right now, AAA games, you can't do that. You invested $1,000 into that game just, for fun. That you can't get your investment back. You can't make a profit. That $1,000 is gone. So that's the issue that NFTs solve, and it's a big one. You should own your in-game stuff, but it is a long ways out, in my opinion, until AAA studios actually implement this, because they don't want to give you the power to items and give the power to the player as far as everything goes with earning money, because that cuts them out of the process and it's less money for them. But eventually they'll have no choice as gamers catch on to what is going on right now with NFT games and everything that's being developed. So this is what we got so far in our Immutable X inventory. Essentially, we still have some cards. Some are not listed because they're not going for much, and some are listed. We have our Guild of Guardians stuff. We missed out on the other sale the other day because they launched it at like 1 a.m. on a Sunday, and I was asleep. But luckily, I did reserve one, and I guess I don't know when they're sending that out exactly. I don't think they posted any news, but I'll have at least one epic hero coming to me, and they do have the other ones up for sale on the market for heroes. So cheapest one, it looks like, is 0.02 ETH. So that's pretty cheap. If you want to get involved in the game, you might as well just buy one or however many heroes you want. You never know. They probably, I don't know if they'll go up in price or not, but they're probably going to have more drops in the future. So it could. And then they have their other actual energy tokens are going for more. Not too sure what exactly it's going to be used for. I don't think they put it out yet, but I assume it's going to be some pay-to-win aspect, leveling up, or you're using energy to enter more dungeons or something like that. Just to show the transactions, guys, we have sold some stuff. We have made money by selling NFTs. Cards, Gods Unchained. That's all we have on Immutable X right now anyways, as far as my inventory goes. So we did make some money on there. Moving on from there, OpenSea. This is the OpenSea wallet for my NFTs here. So you will see these just because for some reason they don't take them off of OpenSea, even though they are over in Immutable X. I'm not going to sell these on here because it costs people more gas compared to doing it on Immutable. So I guess they're just going to sit there for now until OpenSea makes it better for optimization. We took some hits, on some of these NFTs. We haven't gotten into many of them. The Tigers Guild, we took a hit on. This is probably 0. These are 0. Haven't seen any action in there. Evaverse, we hit on. These are going to be worth a lot. I probably can sell. So we got in 0.1. You got a free turtle with it. And this one, I can probably sell it for. So this one, let's see, low to high. The cheapest Celestial, I guess, is this right here. 0.39. It's going for 0.39, guys. So I'm in profit there. I'm going to be keeping the character because I don't know exactly what's going to go on. We got the free turtle as a pet in game. I think, and this is on Steam. This game is on Steam. You can download it and you can enter the world. It's a metaverse. So they're probably going to build on it, and the more stuff they add, the more valuable being involved in the game is. And you need a character. I think you get like a default one, but you won't be able to like customize it and stuff like that. So we hit on this. We missed on 2. And tie-dye ninjas, we just got in recently. We got in for 0.07, and then the floor is 0.8, 0.9. It's around that area, so we're still good. These I think are going to do well just because of the art looks cool, and the community is good, and the volume traded is 212 ETH. So in my opinion, I think they're going to do well as a long-term, medium-term play. As of right now, there's no utility, but that could change. And it could mean anything that they essentially do could boost the price. So it's a good and bad thing as long as they continue to build and support the community. Going from there, like I said, these 2 projects were it's probably zero. You won't be able to sell it. Crypto Beasts, on the other hand, I think they're going through a bump in the road right now. But we minted for 0.1, and it's still up, but they're having some issues, I think, with hatching the eggs, and they were. I don't know anymore if they are still. I haven't seen the next hatching when that's going to be. They've only done, I believe, 2 or 3. Mine has not hatched yet to my knowledge. But these are what the characters are looking like. It's going to be a game. It's a game. So you're going to be able to play it eventually once it's complete. And it's going to be like a Pokemon type game. So, to my knowledge. So I think it's going to do well as long as they can actually iron out any issues that they have and make sure they actually build on top of it. The community is pretty solid. You got 1.9K volume. And then from there, these things, I got this free for having these. This is a different type of game that I have not really dived into, and Crypto Trunk was able to be minted for free. And I don't know what their floor is. 0.04? Okay. 0.04, 477 traded. I mean, it was free. It was free. So, maybe in the future it'll be valuable, kind of like the Ether rocks and stuff like that. Could be, it's free, so it doesn't really matter. And then, like I said, we have all the cards on the other Immutable X. So, going from there, guys, how am I looking at the market? What's going on with the market right now? I'm looking at it as a long-term perspective. So just like always, we're adding to long terms. We're making medium, short-term plays within there. And we're just thinking long-term. Most of the time, that's how you want to be looking at the market. You don't want to look for short-term trades necessarily all the time. It's up to you. If you're a trader and you know how to do that, that's your choice. But most people will lose money trading opposed to just investing for the long term. So all of our call outs, like I said before, they're in the Discord group. If you want every play that we get into, you want the info, you want people to talk to 24/7, we're in the Discord group, Crypto Legacy. Join up if you want. But the key player for me has been Ethereum, adding to my long-term bag. Like, this thing is more than likely going to bring me into that retirement phase. And I say retirement, like, it's just going to allow me to have unlimited money, essentially. But these are some of the coins I'm looking at. I'm paying attention to Ethereum, ADA, Matic, Cake, Luna, Crow, SHIB. We're down on SHIB because we bought, around like here. We're down significantly on SHIB. It was a YOLO play. Doesn't matter. We're looking at Sol, AVAX, DOT, DERC, 1, and FTM, guys. So these are the majority of the coins that I'm paying attention to right now. And just look at the market as long term. Look at the market as long term. You don't need to know how to read a chart. Go into looking at what each coin does. How does it help the market? What's the community looking like? What's the consensus on Twitter? What are the videos? What are the YouTubers making videos about right now? You need to put all of that research into your decision if you really want to dive deep into what's going on. And going from there, guys. So obviously I've been looking into the market as a long-term investor. And I've been focusing on building up passive income. So NFTs can bring passive income if they yield, as long as you can stake them. If you can stake your NFT, you can earn a yield if they have their own coin. So they do have those types of things going on. I haven't gathered any NFTs that do that yet, so we'll see. But coins are able to be staked, and they create passive income by staking them. Whether it's a APY or daily payout, whatever it may be, that's what I'm diving into to earn and build up passive income within crypto. So Luna, you can stake Luna and earn on a multitude of coins within the ecosystem. Now, all of these different things, I'm probably going to make separate videos on. If we can get the video to over 20 likes, I'll do a separate video for each thing that I'm making passive income on. So share it, like it, comment. Let me know if you guys are interested in that stuff, if you're still watching. I will make separate videos on how to do it, tutorial, why I'm doing it, and what the long-term benefit of it is. But Luna, you're able to stake Luna, one coin, but earn a multitude of other coins within the ecosystem. So highly beneficial. Luna is going to go big, in my opinion, just because of everything that's building on top of it and the coin itself, the people behind the coin developing it. Going from there, Cake has been the biggest for me. It's one of my biggest earners within my portfolio, not even counting how much money I'm earning with Cake by throwing it into the pool and farming more Cake. So I have it to where Cake, if you go on their website, guys, you're literally earning almost 100% per year, but you can daily compound it. You daily compound the Cake, so it continues building on itself. You can sell it at any time. You can move it at any time. You can take it out at any time. That's what I love about it. And Cake is not slowing down, guys. Like, this thing is going crazy. It's on the BNB network. It's so cheap to move around on BNB, and Cake is where you can, it's called Pancake Swap. So you can swap other coins just like Uniswap if you don't know. And literally, it's so much cheaper than Ethereum. And in my opinion, it's going to be a big contender in the crypto space. It already is. So that's why I'm farming it in the pool. And it's a long-term play for me because you're earning literally 100%, almost 100% APY. Now, that thing does change the percentage gain on your yield changes daily, changes all the time. Doesn't fluctuate too much. Eventually, that's not going to be close to 100% probably as time goes on, and Cake gets into close to 100 bones per. That's subject to change. But as of right now, that's what it is. And it's just crazy, guys. It's so crazy. Like, I'm earning pretty much 1 cake a day at this point, and that number is only going to get more and more and more. And 100% gain, like close to 100% gain, that doesn't include appreciation. So that doesn't include if I earn 1 cake right now and then it goes to 50, then you're at a higher percentage gain in itself. So that's the power of cake. Look into it if you're interested. Like I said, 20 likes plus, and we'll make separate videos for each passive income stream within crypto. Casper Network, we just got into this recently. You're able to stake this coin on the blockchain and earn passive income up to 12%. So, something to look into. I think the coin has legs. I think it has potential, or it could go to 0. So, it's up to you. SHIB, like I said, we got into a YOLO play, but you're actually able to stake this on Crow. You're not going to have that much percentage gain on Crow. There's might be other places you can move it, but Crow is a platform that is known, and it's, in my opinion, safe to use. So I have it over there. Using this to just keep it in case it hits a doge and goes to the moon somehow. Helium, we ordered our HNT miner, our mobile, not mobile, but we ordered our Bobcat miner for HNT. This means it's an actual device you hook up in your house and it will mine HNT. Once that comes in, we'll definitely make a video about it and see how much we're earning per day with this thing. I think that's, I'm looking more in, like I said, looking more into passive income streams within crypto. And I ordered this thing a while ago. They're on back order heavily. So I'm hoping it comes soon because it's been a while. It's been a while. It was 500 bones, and I really want to get my hands on this thing so I can finally get it up and running and see what's good with it. But Helium is something to look into if you guys are interested in that. I'm looking more and more into mining, having a physical miner and stuff like that. Just looking at all the passive income ways within crypto, because there's a lot of them. So that brings me back around, guys. I mean, that's pretty much most of the important things that I've been diving into and building up on. We're in the green. We're making money. We're up heavily, even after all this, drop down from all-time highs on BTC and the market. It doesn't matter. We win over here in Crypto Legacy. You just got to pay attention to the market, guys. You got to understand where it is. You have to be in sync with the market if you really want to dive heavily into it. So do your research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't leverage money if you don't know what you're doing. Don't invest money that you need to pay your rent or mortgage. Please don't take out loans. Don't do anything stupid, and you'll be fine. Invest your lunch money if you want to. Invest your money that you can afford to lose, that you're not going to go cry if you lose it, because it's a cutthroat game out here in investing and trading. And you just have to be wary of what's going on, guys. That's what it comes down to. Do your research. Look for help if you need it. Another thing, guys, if you didn't know, we have a course down in the description that we made. It's a cryptocurrency course where we go over how to get involved. If you're a noob or just entering the game, or if you have only been in the game for a little bit, it's going to benefit you the most. For veterans and other people, you may not get as much value out of it opposed to someone new. And we are going to be updating that course here shortly, adding in the NFTs, going over how to get involved with that, how to research NFTs, how to look at how to become profitable with NFTs and whatnot. So take a look at that, guys, if you're interested in that. We have the crypto course and the Discord as well. Those two things are going to help you get into the game and thrive if you're interested. So besides that, guys, 20 plus likes. We'll do the individual videos on the passive income streams within crypto. And then we'll continue posting more crypto content. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you're new. And it's been Johnny5, and I'll see you guys next time.